Welcome to Adventures with Captain Ray Kelly. On this adventure, we're going to head back to the state of Florida. And we're flying at my favorite place, DuBois Park, and get shots of the Jupiter Lighthouse. On this flight, we'll be at the Jupiter Lighthouse in Jupiter, Florida. I'm flying with a great bunch of drone pilots. And I'll be flying my little Neo a little later, too. So come on along. It's great flying at the Jupiter Lighthouse, but we were there for the sunrise. And as you can see, we were blessed with a beautiful sunrise. I'm flying my Mavic 3 Pro here. I also want to fly with my Neo 2 and my Neo. Here's my Neo following me.
All right, so anyway, there's the little Neo. Yeah, I got it following me around, so we'll see how good it does. Oh, we got another Neo flying there. That's Mark. Where is it? Is it coming? Yeah, it's coming. It's coming. It's amazing. Little drone. Look at it. Look at it. Just following me through the trees here.
These people were very impressed with the drone. I even heard the one gentleman say he was going to buy one. I thought the Neo was going to hit this palm tree, but it went right around it.
Wow, got close to that tree that time. But this is pretty cool, really. Cool little drone, really.
And as always, thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. And don't forget to watch my live weekly podcast on Thursday nights at 7 p.m. Eastern. And let's get kids hooked on drones, not drugs.